way. The Discovery Club, bounce and learn all day. The Discovery Club, adventures on the way. The Discovery Club, come join us, hooray! The Discovery Club!
Hi friends, welcome to the Discovery Club. Do you know that our planet, Earth, is full of amazing places, but some are so special that they're called wonders of the world. From giant walls to floating cities and statues that touch the sky, come and explore the 7 wonders of the world with us. Before we explore them one by one, let's find out what makes something a wonder. A wonder of the world is a place so incredible that people from everywhere come to see it. It shows how amazing humans can build, or what nature can create. A long time ago, people talked about ancient wonders, like the Great Pyramid of Egypt. But in 2007, people from all around the world voted to choose a new list, the new 7 wonders of the world. Millions joined the vote online, choosing the most amazing man-made places on Earth. Now let's go through each one and find out what makes them so amazing. First up, the Great Wall of China. It's the longest wall in the world, more than 21,000 kilometers long, built over 2,000 years ago to protect China from invaders. That's a lot of bricks. It's so long that it could wrap halfway around Earth. Next, we travel to Petra in Jordan, a city carved into red rock. It was built over 2,000 years ago, around 300 BC, by the Nabatean people, who were amazing builders and traders. It's called the Rose City because of the reddish color of its stone. In Greek, the word Petra actually means rock. Long ago, traders brought spices, gold, and silk through its hidden paths. Standing tall above Brazil's Rio de Janeiro is Christ the Redeemer. This giant statue was built almost 100 years ago, between 1922 and 1931, by engineers and artists from Brazil and France. It's as tall as an 8-story building, with arms wide open, welcoming everyone. High up in the Andes Mountains lies Machu Picchu. It was built in the 1400s by the Inca Empire, hundreds of years ago. It's called the Lost City in the Clouds because it's hidden so high in the mountains. No one outside the region knew it existed until explorers discovered it in 1911. Next, we visit Chichen Itza in Mexico, an ancient Mayan city. It was built over 1,000 years ago, around 600 to 900 AD, by the Maya civilization, who were brilliant at math, astronomy, and architecture. Its pyramid, called El Castillo, has 365 steps, one for each day of the year. It's so perfectly designed that when you clap your hands, the sound echoes like a bird. Welcome to ancient Rome. The Colosseum was a massive stadium built almost 2,000 years ago, around 80 AD, by Emperor Vespasian, and later completed by his son Titus. It was made of stone and concrete, with elevators and trapdoors for amazing shows. Gladiators and even animals fought here, while over 50,000 people watched from the stands. It was used for more than 400 years for games, plays, and festivals. Our 7th and last wonder, the Taj Mahal in India. It was built in the 1600s, between 1631 and 1653, by Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife, Mumtaz Mahal, as a symbol of love. It took 22 years and more than 20,000 workers to finish this masterpiece. Made of shining white marble, it changes colors with the sunlight, pink in the morning, white at noon, and golden at night. So, which wonder is your favorite? Think about it. And maybe tell your friends or family which one you'd love to visit someday. And don't forget to subscribe to the Discovery Club, because we'll be exploring each of these wonders in more detail very soon. See you in our next adventure.